Hello guys, welcome to Amero Mojica Vlogs, and today I will be replacing the door interior. As you can see, it's broken. You can turn it, and I got the part right here. Shout out to Brock, all the parts for sending to me. Yeah, look at the truck. Damn, look at that truck. Woof. Okay. So thank you for Brock, all the parts for sending me the part, the door handle. So let's get to it. Well guys, so first thing first, take this out. So I'm gonna take this out. Hopefully I can do it.
Pasar la época porque ya nos toca a pistear con morras locas, un poco de coca, whisky en las rocas, prendo un gallo aquí con mi tocayo, ramita de la morada para la desvelada, cervecita helada, le seguimos la corriente, musiquita en vivo pa' poner ambiente. Se junta la gente diciéndole, cuando pasa el tiempo lo que pida el cuerpo, copas de champaña, música de viento, mujeres bailando con buen movimiento, relajado el momento. Y así suena el colmillo norteño viejo, ánimo con Omar Ruiz y puro para adelante compa el feo Castañeda. Una escuadra en la cintura y la trae pa' usarla que no quepa duda. Colgado trae a San Judas porque me ha cuidado en mis aventuras. En mi mente tengo a mi madre siempre. Que se jale la bandona, rola la bolsita de coco, la aroma, pa' pararle aquí no hay hora, estando tranquilos que aquí no hay demora, buenos carros y diciendo a la moda.
Okay guys, I didn't record it, but it took me a long time because this right here, está barrido, as you can see. So I did the old time, and look at what I did to it, the old one. Hold on. Look at what I did to it, the old one. Mira aquí say. So I did it, I kind of twisted it like this, until it came out. And now I'm trying to fix this. That one close. See? So now I'm trying to fix it. Hopefully I can close. Let me see. So, yeah. Let's put everything back together. Like I said before, I did record it. I'm sorry, but look on my hands. I had to take all this out. So let's put it back together.
Por venir a ver tu cara tuve que rodear vereda.
I forgot something. What thing? So this is what I forgot. Hey. I forgot some screws over here. But this screw is special. You know why? Because of this. It's kind of like this. Look it out. I'm gonna put everything back together. Alright.
Entre el mar y las estrellas se pasea la blanca nube. Si te casas tú conmigo hasta de princesa soy, y si no te meto un tiro nomás pa' que no lo dudes. Y palabra de hombre que jamás te rajo, que me den pa' arriba, que me den pa' abajo, y nomás me abrevo, voy a echarme un trago. Yo no acostumbro de las cosas que hago. Y cuídate mi chaparrita, que si te portas mal, con un perrito te doy en la cabezona. Y si algún día me mataran, que fuera ametralladora. Vida mía, con esos modos pensaría que te adora. No me importa tanto, tanto, aunque seas marcornadora.
I did it, guys. I did it. So it's kind of tough for me.
Entre el mar y
I
las
still did it.
estrellas se pasea la blanca
Fixing it one more.
nube.
So let's go to the back and put some tools away.
Si te casas tú conmigo hasta de princesa subes, y si no te meto un tiro no basta que no lo dudes. Y palabra de hombre que jamás me rajo, que me den pa' arriba, que me den pa' abajo, y nomás me abrevo.
Okay, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like it, smash the like button, comment, share it with others, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'm gonna try to put some good content if that's what you guys need. So, oh yeah, follow me on my social medias down below, and follow me on my second channel. It'll be down below in the description. So I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a good day. Goodbye.